Today we'll look at 7 ways you can make $1,000 online with a skill that all of you were forced to learn since you were a kid. That skill? Writing. Hey friend, if you're new here, my name is Olivier, ex-engineer turned product manager. I'm currently documenting the steps I'm taking to create my online businesses with as much transparency as possible, as I quit my 9-to-5 to become a digital nomad. So, if you're interested in getting your finances in order, starting your own online business, and teaching that 9-to-5, be sure to subscribe for new videos every Friday. Alright, let's look at the 7 ways to make an extra $1,000 each month by writing online. Let's dive in. We'll start with the hardest, but best method over the long run, and end with the easiest and quickest way to make cash in the short term. So stick around until the end, as the last example might be the perfect easiest way for you to make an extra $1,000 writing online each month. The hardest but best way for you to make an extra $1,000 plus per month writing online is via audience building. Why it's the best way? It's because with this method, once you have a sizable audience, whenever you write one additional piece of content, it generates money for you over and over without you having to put in any extra effort. This method generates passive income over time. Why it's the hardest? It's because it takes consistency over a long period of time to build an audience that trusts you and looks forward to your content. We're talking 3 to 5 years of producing content without much return. But then your effort compounds and cash starts to come in without any extra further effort. That's the approach I'm currently taking. It's an investment now for massive returns later. So where can you get started so that 3 to 5 years from now, you're getting paid without much effort? X, formerly known as Twitter. To start earning ad revenue as passive income from X, you need to accumulate a minimum of 500 followers and 5 million impressions of your tweets during the last 3 months. Free money is not the only benefit here. Building your audience will allow you to sell online courses and ebooks and do sponsored posts that drive traffic to a brand that pays you to talk about their product. If you get to the point where you're selling courses and ebooks online to your devoted audience, you'll definitely be making more than $1,000 a month. Substack. Once you've built enough followers on Substack, you can turn on subscription and produce specific private content for your subscribers only. The beauty here is that Substack allows its writers to set their subscription price themselves. So you could start low and then increase your price over time as you build momentum. The second best thing about Substack is that it allows you to build an emailed list. If you check out all content creators on X, aka Twitter, and YouTube, you'll realize that one of their main goals is to create their own email list. If someone is willing to give you their email address, they are a fan and are highly likely to purchase products from you. This is known as qualified leads. Once you have an email list built up, you can then come up with a product and market it to your fans to generate even more income. Your own blog. If you create your own blog and once you have high traffic on it, you can add third-party ad plugins or reach out to brands to ask them to sponsor your articles. If you have huge traffic, you can definitely get more than $1,000 from one sponsorship. Easier ways to make a quick buck online with writing. With the methods we're going to talk about, you get paid straight away. You might even make $1,200 with only 4 written articles in a month, depending on how good your writing is. But the difference with the previous method is that you get paid once and then have to keep working to get paid, as opposed to your content working for you and generating passive income. The following methods are encouraging methods when starting out though, as you can see the monetary results right away. So what are the different writing services you can tap into to make money online quick? Number 1, content mills such as Textbroker or iWriter provide a platform for writers to access writing gigs. While the pay might be a little low, it's a straightforward way to start building your portfolio and confidence. These platforms pay by word count at around 1.1 to 5.5 cents per word. Number 2, freelance platforms. Sign up for freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Look for writing gigs or projects that match your skills and get paid anything from $10 for social media posts to $5,000 for white paper articles. Generally, payouts might hover between $50 to $300 per article. Number 3, online content platforms. Sign up for their partnership programs and write and publish articles on platforms like Medium or Voice Media. These platforms often have straightforward submission processes, and you can earn through their revenue sharing models. If you remain consistent, you can make huge money on those platforms. This article on Business Insider talks about a writer who on Medium made $11,000 in August 2020. When starting out, you could get paid anything between $10 to $98 per 1,000 views if you sign up for the Medium partnership program, and $3.8 per 1,000 views if you are a regular writer on Voice Media, and $6 per 1,000 views if you sign up for Voice Media's Vocal Plus program. The difference between the two? Medium pays you on reading and engagement of a subscribed Medium member with your article. Vocal Media pays you per views, regardless of who reads it. If you're starting out, Vocal Media might be more fun, as you'll most likely see the cash roll in earlier, even if it's small. There are niche sites that would pay you $300 to $1,000 per article if you were to generate articles for them. Here are what some of them are paying per post or article. Copy Hacker, $300 to $1,000 for accepted posts. Photoshop, if you are a Photoshop superstar, they're paying out $150 to $300 for full tutorial posts. Neptune AI are paying $300 to $600 for technical articles. Twilio are paying $650 for programming articles. LogRocket are paying $350 for deep technical content. Airbyte, for articles on data, analytics, software engineering, are paying up to $900 per article. Elite Personal Finance are paying $300 for guest posts of 1,000 to 3,000 words. Draft.dev, which are about technical marketing content for software companies, are paying $315 to $578 per post. Dilettante Art Writing Journal are paying $500 a piece for posts on art or historical writing. If there's already a niche that you are an expert in and would find it easier to write about, search online to see if there are sites that would pay you $300 plus per article to write articles for them. On my end, I've started on Twitter and Substack. I'll keep you posted on how it goes. Let me know down in the comments where you'll be writing so that I can follow you. If you've enjoyed this video, you're going to love this one over here, which is about how you can create and sell digital products online to make extra cash passively. Thank you for watching, and until next time, my friend, take care.